Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix broken prints, repair broken prints, change broken prints, however you want to word this. I'm going to show you guys how to repair your prints if ever they're peeling off for whatever reason. Let's grab this hat. So, first thing, let's put it on the Hotronics hat press. First thing we want to do is we want to take off all that extra stuff that's peeling off. So I'm just gonna rub my finger, and whatever's coming off, guys, I just want to take it off because this is no good. So I'm just gonna take all of this off, as so. Perfect. I am filming this alone, guys, so sorry for the angle. Perfect. Alright guys, so there we go. I removed the majority of the logo, but this will ensure that it properly sticks. Now the next step is going to be to take out the logo that you'd like. So in this case, we're just going to cut out a piece of a logo, and I'm going to show you guys what the next step is in a few seconds. Once you have your logo cut out, the next step is going to be to make a proper judgment. So you have two choices. One, you can either try to overlay perfectly, so basically try to over center this logo perfectly over it. The only problem you might have is that, let's say since you have a bit of white here, it's gonna be a bit wider on this surface. So what I like to do, guys, is I like to place it. So in this case, guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting out every single piece of the logo where it's already here. So the majority of this part will be cut out, and the part will be cut out. So there it is, guys. This is what we're going to be putting on the logo. So first thing first, I'm just going to place it, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. Now the next step is going to be to use my iron and slowly place my logo where I want it, and then we're going to actually use the hat press finish off. I won't be able to show you guys as I do it, but basically what I'm doing is just slowly using my iron and my other hand to be able to hold down the logo, and slowly use my iron to just place some heat so it stays in place, and then from there I'll show you guys the next step. But just be very, gentle and take your time. There's no rush. So this is how it's looking, guys. I just placed it as best as I could and slowly went with the iron and put some pressure. Now what we're going to be doing is just placing this over it. And now using this, we're going to press it 2 times, guys. Really nice, guys. And how you know that it's properly cured, it's gonna look like inserted inside a little fabric. You guys will see when I peel it off, but as you can see, really nice. Alright guys, so after it's cooled down, you can peel it. Perfect, guys. And let's say it's broken right here. What we're doing right now is we're pressing it for one last time. So as you guys can see, we're waiting for this part to cool down. This was from the second press when we took it off. Unfortunately, this part came off, so we just repressed it. Now we're just waiting for this to cool down, and we're going to try to fix the P. And from there, we might have salvaged a hat that would have been otherwise, thrown out. Right, guys, so we're closing up. We're not quite done yet. We need to wait for this to cool down and then repress it. But I'm so proud of where we started from and where we're at right now. Incredible results. And obviously, it's not perfect, but guys, compared to what it was, it's incredibly phenomenal how we were able to actually salvage this print. It was unusable, unsellable, unnothingable, and now we made it something, guys. So really proud of ourselves. Just take the time, the patience. Easier to cut a piece again and try again than to print and having to, you know, throw out the hat and start from scratch. So take the time. You'll maybe be able to fix it, and if you're not able to, well, at least you tried, guys. So the main takeaways of this video is be patient. The items you'll need an iron, hat press, a bunch of prints, scissors, and a whole lot of patience to be able to, you know, fix the prints where they might be, you know, all f***ed up. So guys, like I said, not absolutely perfect, but if we are to compare from what we started from, I think it's a win. We're going to press it one last time. So guys, hopefully you found this video somewhat interesting and helpful. This was pretty much how to fix / repair any sort of DTF prints, especially on hats. So how to go from something like this and fix it to something that looks more like this. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.